Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin Shibarmy. Whales went crazy with Shiba Inu coin after this leak. Shiba Inu news today. Shiba Inu was listed on big centralized exchanges such as Binance. It has continued to trade as a multi-billion-dollar stock ever since. Shiba Inu has a market cap of $5 billion, which means that more than 1.2 million people own tokens. We'll talk about Shibarmy in this film. Whales went crazy with Shiba Inu coin after this leak. News about Shiba Inu today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you want to see our newest videos on Shiba, enterprise predictions, and expert analysis. Please share the channel and join. Let's start the video right away. Gold Shib. The Shiba Inu community is very excited about the platform's metaverse project. Shiba have been given eternal life, but they have to wait what seems like forever to start their metaverse project. Shiba Inu was asked to work on another metaverse project, though, and the community just found out about it. Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer for Shiba Inu, wrote on November 23 that the World Economic Forum had asked Shiba to work on a number of policies. Satoshi Kusama made it clear that the project had been asked to work with the economic body on world policy. He also said that Decentraland, Meta, and Sandbox were part of this partnership, which led the MV to believe that the metaverse was involved. They will vote on whether to take the deal or not. Over 18,000 votes had been cast by the time this article was written. More than 60% of the developers' over 850,000 followers had voted for them to accept the deal. A new report from WhaleStats showed that 3.14% of Shib was among the top Ethereum buyers. What we hold. It is thought that the share is worth about $70 million. The holdings are another sign that big investors are putting a lot of money into the project. The market cap has also grown by more than 8% in the last 24 hours. According to figures from CoinMarketCap, but the data also showed that the number of trades had dropped by 100% in the last 24 hours. Shiba's current address for the past 30 days also shows that there was a rise. It was shown by the sentiment metric that the number of live addresses had gone up. At the time of writing, the number was around 130,000, up from around 80,000 in late October. But if you looked at the difference between the market value and the realized value, you could see that Shiba owners were hanging on to lose money. Sentiment statistics shows that people who bought the token in the last 30 days lost 12.5% of their value. People who bought ships at that time would lose more than 12% if they sold them. Price moved up after hearing the latest news, which can be seen by looking at its daily term price movement. It had gone up by more than 2% during the time that it was traded. Also, it was easy to see that it had gained more than 4% by the end of the previous session. The price of Shib had been going up and down, but the support line could be seen around 80 cents. It could also be seen that it had broken through the support and gone down before rising above Shib's price action. It was possible to see the 50-line yellow line and the 200-line blue line rolling averages. They also worked well as support at about 10 cents, though the turn would suggest a possible move up towards the neutral line. As many people get ready for Thanksgiving, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, line also showed that the asset was going down. There are many things for which the Shibarmy is grateful this year. The famous meme coin Shiba Inu turned 2 years old, and to mark the occasion, its developers released a number of important updates. The collectible card game Shiba Eternity was made available for mobile devices, and Burn Radio now has its own app for mobile devices as well. November 23, 2022. Happy Thanksgiving. Shibarmy. Shibarium's Layer 2 upgrade, on the other hand, is getting the most attention. This upgrade is meant to lay the groundwork for the Shib's metaverse project, the Shi stablecoin, and the blockchain form of Shiba Eternity. Some writers are very careful about giving any deadlines because of how bad things are right now in the crypto winter. This gets on the nerves of Shiba Army members who can't wait. During this FTX-filled crypto winter, the meme bears didn't miss a chance to kick Shiba out. On the other hand, the most busy crypto community on Twitter is still positive about the Canine coin's future. People generally think that Shib's black eyes should heal quickly since Satoshi Kusama is working on Shibarium. This is on top of the news that the partner developer company X Fund just released W Fund, which will power all Ethereum-based projects. I hope the Shibarium loads 87% before Thanksgiving. Michael Sagan was hit by kryptonite on November 22, 2022. The joke coin, on the other hand, is worth 888 cents and has gone up 2.8% in the last 24 hours. After several days of losses, Shib may be getting ready for a comeback rise with a lot of new trades. However, The success of the comeback will depend a lot on when Chef Shib launches Shibarmy, as it will be the start of a new era for the rapidly growing crypto community. Chef Shib will be at Remy_ for Thanksgiving on November 23, 2022. For a long time, whales have bought Shiba Inu tokens. However, a new whale has not been born in a while. In October, a new whale bought 3,388,119,788,000 Shiba Inu tokens for $34,884,451 USD. This was a very large buy. Shiba Inu is the second most held non-stable coin, which means that Ethereum whales are still hanging on to it. There are rumors that Shib burns will speed up as we get closer to the start of Shibarmy, which makes whales buy. When it comes out, Shibarmy will be the most important burn mechanism in the whole Shiba Inu environment. Investors, on the other hand, look at the big picture too. Even the brand new Shiba Eternity game, which wasn't supposed to have burns at first, now has a burn system that was made just for that game. There will be a Shib burns Shiba Swamp v2 Shibarmy Shiba net on every new platform that is built. The only one that isn't is the game. But Hitoshi Kusama Milkshake at Shiba Inu Art December 30, 2021 has a good reason for that. It's great to see that the developers and team's words from a year ago are coming true. Promises kept is a very good sign for when the market starts to recover. Shiba Inus are still very famous. Even though the value of the token has dropped by many percentage points over the past year, the number of new holders keeps going up. Recently, 50,000 new holders joined the project, even though the markets were very negative. A new Shiba Inu whale bought almost 1.3 trillion Shib tokens, which are worth $11.7 million. It only took one transaction for the wallet to become the 46th biggest Shib whale right away. The 77th biggest Shib whale picked up an extra 432 billion Shib tokens, which are worth $3.8 million. The whale has about 524.3 billion Shib tokens, which are worth $4.74 million right now. The two owners of the huge Shiba Inus have a total of 1,729,235,724,962 Shib, which is $15.6 million. The whales may be interested because the World Economic Forum, WEF, said it wanted to work with the Shib team to help make metaverse policy for the whole world. In terms of size, the WEF is one of the biggest business groups in the world. The sudden interest could have been caused by the idea of a partnership. Developer of the Shib Satoshi Kusama even put it to a vote to see what people in the community thought. A lot of people, 62.3%, chose the Shib team to work with the WEF. Plus, Shiba Inu just released another deal that is only available through its partnership with Travala. Even though the booking site added support for the well-known cryptocurrency with a dog theme in December 2021. In the newest deal, people who use Shib tokens to book travel get travel points. Shib has been used by a lot of people, even during the bear market, which shows how popular it is with store users. She was worth 911 cents on November 23, which is 0.8% more than the day before. That's all for today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. To see our newest videos, share the channel and subscribe to it.